Exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. First main is find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0, x equals minus 1 and x equals 2. So I solved and show you two exemplar problems now children. It is similar to that. So first question we shall write. So for all the three questions, same polynomial you need to consider, that is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So for the first case, first problem, at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. So consider this polynomial. Write the given, first step is write the given polynomial in the form of p of x, which is equal to given expression by 5x minus 4x square plus 3. At x is equal to 0. So p of 0 is 5 into 0. While substituting children, put bracket for all the terms already present, which are the terms are there, for that also you put bracket, where you are substituting for that also you put bracket. Why? Because if minus sign is there given, you will not go wrong. So make it a habit for all the problems. Again, minus as it is, 4 as it is, in place of x square, I will substitute 0 square plus 3 as it is. No x is there, so no substitution, write the constant as it is. Next step, p of 0 is 5 into 0, 0. Minus as it is, 4 into 0 square is again 0, plus 3 as it is. So p of 0 is equal to 3. That's all is the answer. So write the given polynomial as p of x form. At x is equal to whatever is given, you will write in the bracket and replace the variable with that term. Simplify and you will get the answer. That is about the first question. In the second, at x is equal to minus 1. So given polynomial p of x is same, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. For p of minus 1 now, in place of x we will replace by minus 1. Why? Because we are solving for at x is equal to minus 1. So 5 into minus 1. See here, minus is given, no? If at all you don't put bracket for 5 while multiplying, here minus is there, one more minus, minus into minus will become plus. If you don't write it in bracket, you will happily forget this sign and whole problem will go wrong. So only I am telling you to make habit of writing bracket for each term. 5 in bracket, x I am substituting it as minus 1. This minus sign as it is, 4 I am putting it in the bracket. Minus x square means minus 1 whole square plus 3 as it is. Next step, p of minus 1 is equal to plus into minus, minus 5 ones are 5. Now this minus sign for time being I will write as it is. Why? Though I have one more term minus 1 with square, so minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Why? Minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus, plus 1 ones are 1. So minus 1 whole square is plus 1 children. So I am not writing this minus sign, I need not write. So it is like plus 1 into 4 is minus 4 plus 3 as it is. Next, p of minus 1 is minus 4 minus 9. When you have these numbers with both positive and minus negative sign children, check which are the number, whether positive sign is more or negative sign is more. Whichever is there, more or less, bring all the positive sign numbers together, negative sign numbers together and then simplify. See here I have only one number 3 with plus sign, both 5 and 4 are with minus sign. So minus 5 minus 4. Both the terms with minus sign means add 5 plus 4 9, but put the negative number sign. So from 5 and 4 I got minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3. One number with minus sign, one number with plus sign means subtract. 9 minus 3 6. Put the greater number sign. 9 is greater than 3. 9 is having minus sign. P of minus 1 is minus 6. That's all. Understood? This is how you should solve. Next you have at x is equal to 2. Third question, at x is equal to 2. So p of x is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now x value is 2. So p of 2 is, see, 5 in one bracket, x value 2 in one bracket, minus as it is 4 in one bracket, 2 square plus 3. P of 2 is 5 2s are 10. 2 square 4. 4 4s are minus is there, minus 16 plus 3. Here two numbers I have with plus sign. So let me group them and add. Plus 10 plus 3 is plus 13. So P of 2 is plus 13 minus 16. I have now minus 16 plus 13. 1 minus 1 plus means subtract. 16 minus 13, 3. Greater number sign, minus 3. P of 2 is minus 3. P of 2 is minus 3. That's all, children. This is how you find the value of any given polynomial for the respective values of x given. Second main, find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following. So in the first main, how did they ask the question is, we used to give only one polynomial at x is equal to 2, 1 and minus 1 they asked. So this is how we did. In the second main, different expressions are given to you. Here only one expression was given and different values of x were given. Here they are telling us to different polynomials are given, and for each polynomial P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 means, see here we did not P of 2, P of 1, like that for all the different expression 0, 1, 2 in place of that variable you will substitute and find out. That is what they have asked. How? We shall see now. Second main, first question, find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following. First question, P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1 is a polynomial given. So we need to find out all the three, that is P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Correct? Yes, 0, 1 and 2, all the three you need to find out. So first I am finding out P of 0. In place of y, if I am substituting 0, throughout this expression in place of y I should write 0. So it is 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0, 0 has no meaning, so it is just 1. So P of 0 is equal to plus 1. Write this, make habit of putting each value in dabba. P of 1 is next question. So in place of y I need to substitute 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. What is 1 square? 1. Minus 1 as it is. Plus 1 as it is. See, plus 1 minus 1 if you cancel, you are left with 1 only. So P of 1 is again plus 1. Next, P of 2 we need to do. For all the 4 problems, children, you need to find out like this. P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Y square means 2 square minus y means minus 2 plus 1 as it is. P of 2 is 2 square is 4 minus 2 as it is plus 1 as it is. P of 2 is, see, plus 4 plus 1 is plus 5. Plus 5 minus 2. Subtract 5 minus 2, 3. Greater number sign plus 3. So P of 2 is plus 3. Like this, P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 you will find out for all the problems. Second one, let me do. Third one, homework children, you do it. It is only x cube, very simple. 0 cube, 0. 1 cube, 1. 2 cube, 6. 8. 2 to the power 4 is 8, yes. 2 cube, 8, that you will do. Second one I am doing. P of t is 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube plus 2t square minus t cube is there. So we need to first find out what is P of 0. So 2 as it is plus in place of t I will write 0 plus 2 into t square andre 0 square minus t cube andre 0 cube. So P of 0 is 2 as it is. 0 no need to write. 2 into 0 square is 0. Again this is 0 means P of 0 is 2. That's all. Now I will find out what is P of 1. 2 plus t is 1 plus 2 into t square andre it is 1 square minus 1 cube. So P of 1 is 2 as it is plus 1 as it is plus 1 square is 1. 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 cube is 1 only, minus 1. See here, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So P of 1 is 2 plus 2. P of 1 is 4. Like this you will do. Similarly, P of 2 you will find out. P of 2 is, I am not going to write the expression directly, I will do 2 as it is plus t means plus 2 plus 2 into t square means 2 square minus 2q. So P of 2 is 2 as it is plus 2 as it is. 2 square means 4. 4 into 2 plus 8 minus as it is. 2 cube is 8. Correct? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. See here, plus 8 minus 8 gets cancelled. So P of 2 is just 2 plus 2, which is again equal to 4. That's all. This is about the second problem. P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Please substitute the terms always in the bracket. Third one, as I said, I want you to do it. Fourth one, I will do it for you. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Very easy. First we need to find out P of 0 as usual. In place of x I need to substitute 0. 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. P of 0 is 0 minus 1 is, don't write 0, it is minus 1. 0 plus 1 is plus 1. Don't bracket, you will multiply them. Minus 1 plus 1 if it get cancelled. P of 0 is clearly 0. See? Oh, multiplication is there, children. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus 1 into minus 1. P of 0 is minus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Similarly, we will do for P of 1 and P of 2. P of 1 is 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. P of 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. But 0 into 2 is just 0. P of 1 is 0. Similarly, P of 2 if we do 2 minus 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1 under 2 plus 1. P of 2 is 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. P of 2 is 3 ones are 3. Sorry. P of 2 is 3. That's all, children. So hope you understood. Either they for one polynomial they may give different values and ask, or for different polynomials different values also they can ask. It is completely based on given question. Third main, verify whether the following are 0 of the polynomial indicated against them. I thought you know, children, in the example of problem it is based on that concept. If you tell the given value of x or y is 0 of a polynomial, if on substituting that value of x and y you get the simplified value as 0. So, 8 problems are there. It is very easy, but number of problems are more. Exercise 4.2, third main. First question is P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 at x is equal to minus 1 by 3. This while writing down, write the question carefully, children. P of x is 3x plus 1 at x is equal to minus 3. Here, for each problem, different polynomials or expressions are given and different values of x are also given as well. So let us find out. At x is equal to minus 1 by 3 means it is P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 in one bracket into x is there. So into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 as it is. See here, 3 ones are 3 ones are. P of minus 1 by 3 is, it is just minus 1 and plus 1 I got. See, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled means 0. So if at all you are getting P of minus 1 by 3 to be 0 on substituting the value of x to be minus 1 by 3, then x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is called the 0 of a polynomial. So after solving like this, disturbance. So after solving each problem, children, since P of minus 1 by 3 is 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of a polynomial. You will write one line. I will repeat. Since P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. You will write for each problem one statement. We shall go for second question. P of x is equal to 5x minus pi at x is equal to 4 by 5. So in place of x now I need to substitute 4 by 5. P of 4 by 5 is 5 as it is. In place of x I need to substitute 4 by 5 minus pi. See here 5 ones are 5 ones are. So P of 4 by 5 is equal to 4 minus pi. We are not getting 0 as in this case. When you don't get 0, then we say that how do we write one sentence? Since P of 4 by 5 is equal to 4 minus pi, x is equal to 4 by 5 is not the 0 of a polynomial. I will repeat. Since P of 4 by 5 is equal to 4 minus pi, x is equal to 4 by 5 is not the 0 of a polynomial. Idu 0 bandre, ee value idardu 0 of polynomial. 0 barlila andre it is not 0 of a polynomial. That's all. Third question. P of x is x square minus 1 at x is equal to 1 comma minus 1. See here at a time two values of x are given. It doesn't mean together you need to substitute. First for x is equal to 1, next for x is equal to minus 1 we need to do. So first we shall do for x is equal to 1. P of 1 is 1 square minus 1. So P of 1 is 1 square and 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So P of 1 is 0. If at all we are getting P of 1 to be 0, then it means that since P of 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 is 0 of a polynomial. Now let us try for the same problem for x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square minus 1. P of minus 1 is minus 1 whole square and plus 1 minus 1. Again 1 minus 1 is 0. Since P of minus 1 is 0, x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of a polynomial. In both the cases, when x is equal to 1 as well as when x is equal to minus 1, in both the cases we are getting P of 1 and minus 1 to be 0, means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1, both are 0 of a polynomial. That is how you write. Next we shall go to fourth problem. P of x is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Minus 1 comma 2 anta they will give. It means separately you need to substitute. So P of x is x plus 1 into x plus 2. First we need to do for it P of minus 1 for x is equal to minus 1. So P of minus 1 andre minus 1 in place of x plus 1 as it is into in place of x minus 1 plus 2 as it is. Minus 1 plus 1 andre 0 into minus 1 plus 2 andre plus 1. 0 into 1 is 0 only. So P of minus 1 is equal to 0 andre. Since P of minus 1 is 0, at x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of a polynomial. Similarly, we will check for 2 at x is equal to 2 now. In place of x 2 andre 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. So P of 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12. So since P of 2 is equal to 12, x is equal to 2 is not the 0 of a polynomial. Anta you will write. Hope you are understanding, children. I am a bit fast, I think. Just substitute the given value. If you get the answer 0, then that is the given value of x is 0 of polynomial. If not, it is not 0 of a polynomial. Fifth one you do. It is very simple. P of x is x square. Now, sixth one I will do. Sixth and okay, 6, 7, 8 I will do. Fraction is there. So fifth one for you. Sixth one I am doing. P of x is equal to Lx plus m at x is equal to minus m by n. So here in place of numbers they are given alphabets. Don't get worried. It's the same as well. So here x is minus m by l means p of minus m by l you will write. Whatever is given, just substitute in the bracket. So p of minus m by l is, means in place of x in the given expression, we need to substitute minus m by l. So this l as it is I will write. In place of x, what should I substitute now? Minus m divided by l plus m as it is. Look here, L get cancelled. P of minus m divided by L is, I am left with minus m only when L gets cancelled, plus m. So P of minus m by L is minus m plus 1 gets cancelled. It is like plus 1 minus 1. It is getting cancelled. So it is 0. Since P of minus m by L is equal to 0, x is equal to minus m by L is the 0 of a polynomial anta baritira. 7th question. P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1 at x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by square root 3. Don't worry, don't get tense by looking at the root. It will be simple only. Whatever they give, you put it in the bracket. So P of x is 3x square minus 1. Now in place of x, first we shall substitute x is minus 1 by root 3. So P of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to, this 3 I am writing as it is. In place of x square, I should write minus 1 by square root 3 whole square minus 1 as it is. Got my point? Now children, the simplification how to do, not here only I have to. Next step, P of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 into, see here, minus 1 by root 3 whole square there. So 1 by root 3 is a fraction. If whole square is written, this square will be applied for both the numerator and the denominator. Correct? So we shall do that now. Minus 1 square, it is like minus 1 whole square, big bracket al baritini, divided by square root 3 whole square minus 1 as it is. What did I do in this step is, I had minus 1 by square root 3 whole square. So whole square means this square is applied to the numerator as well as to the denominator. That is what I am doing. Minus 1 ittalva, minus 1 whole square anta barte. Square denominator square root 3 ittalva, square root 3 whole square anta barte. Look here, square and square root will get cancelled. So P of minus 1 by square root 3 is equal to 3 in the bracket as it is. This 3 and square root 3 get cancelled andre, I am left with minus 1 whole square andre plus 1. So 1 by 3 then another minus 1 I got. This minus 1 I am writing as it is here. 3 ones are 3 ones are. P of minus 1 by root 3 is 1 1 hoydre I am left with 1 minus 1. P of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 0. Since P of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to, since P of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of a polynomial number you will write. The simplification part, square root 3 whole square, square root cancel adre, I am left with only 3. So I wrote 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 1 minus 1 is 0. Similarly, next we need to substitute P of x is now 2 divided by square root 3. So 3 as it is, in place of x square, 2 by square root 3 whole square minus 1. Again I am applying the square individually both to the numerator and denominator. So 2 square divided by square root 3 whole square minus 1. What will happen in the next step? P of 2 by square root 3 is equal to, first bracket 3 as it is. See here also square root will get cancelled means I am left with only 3. 2 square is in the numerator 4 children divided by 3 and this minus 1 as it is. 3 ones are 3 ones are. P of 2 by square root 3 is 1 into 4. I am left with 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Since P of 2 by square root 3 is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 by 3 is not the 0 of a polynomial. That's all. See, same substitution. 3x square minus 1. X jagdalenu 2 by root 3 whole square. Applying square individually both to numerator and denominator. 2 square square root 3 whole square. 2 square 4. Square root 3 whole square and the root to square root gets cancelled. 3 3 ones are 3 ones. 4 minus 1 is 3. Since you are not getting 0, that is not the 0 of a polynomial. That is about the 7th one. 8th one, very easy children. In place of x, you substitute half and simplify. That's all. So that is about the 3rd main. 4th main, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First main, we for the given single polynomial, different values of x were given. We substituted and find out that value of x. Second mainly, for each given polynomial, p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2, we find it out. In the 3rd main, for each polynomial, whatever the value of given is in front of it, that value we substituted, and if at all we get the value to be 0, then we said that number is the 0 of a polynomial. If not, if it is not a 0 of a polynomial, then we find it out. 4th main, you look, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases is the question. How do we find out? Let us check now.